You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -30. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 45 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -30.